This here is a 5-horse Craftsman tiller, little garden tiller, and it's been setting up, and so I decided I'd get it out and get it working in the garden, and I found out it didn't have no place to put no grease in the chain and all, and the pulleys down there around that works the tiller. So I didn't see no place you could put no oil in it. So right there where that screwdriver is, that's where I drilled a hole, and the hole's a little bit smaller than the boat, and I tapped it a little bit. The case is kind of soft. I tapped it a little bit and got it self-starting, so it screws in there, and I can put oil in there as it needs it. But it's like maybe 30 years old, and as they get older like that, the seals will leak, and if you don't put that oil back in them, it will burn it up. But if you do it this way, you ain't no telling how long it'll last you. So I just thought I'd let y'all in on my little deal that I checked one out when they've been setting up like that, and they'll last a long time. A lot of times the old ones are outlasting new ones 2 or 3 times. So I hope I told you something you didn't know, and thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you don't have no special kind of oil to go in that casing, what I do, I use the oil I change out of my vehicle. I'll put it in the jug, and if I don't get rid of it any other way, I use it to pour in the tillers and stuff like that to keep them limbered up. And the oil's still good because it's like 20W30, and as long as you keep plenty of oil in there, keep it nice and cool, and it'll work better than just regular gear oil. So I thought I'd tell you about that. You can use your burnt oil. That's a good way to use that burnt oil that you take out of your car.